close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Guys, me just wake is now. The time is 12:40. Time is 12:40 now. Just wake, Sobrina'a still asleep. But guess what? I have stuff to do. So I decided to jump up. First, I'm gonna put some clothes in the machine to wash. Come back with a few pieces of dirty clothes. So you need to wash them there. You need to clean out the fridge. Now the house lock up for 2 weeks. You need to wipe it out and fresh it up back. You need to get back the thing on track. Yeah. Also hungry. You know when Sobrina'a awake. I got hungry as well. Need to try to pick something quick and fast to eat. So just stay with me and keep me company. Because Sobrina'a asleep. Only just stay with me and keep me company, right? We need to go up on the road by 3:30. We need to go up on the road. There's a lot of things to do today. So yeah. Unfortunately, you know who remembers to usually play basketball. But like if I'm living now, it's like an hour away. And you can't take the bus go there. And training keep in the night. They have training in the night. So even if we could get the bus go there, the time when the training keep and finish, it would be possible. Our training finish like 9 o'clock at night. If you take a bus come here, so it would have been too much. So I just got hand over my wheelchair. I have my wheelchair same way. I have the wheelchair. So I got hand it over. So we need to carry out that today. Hand it over back. Probably in the future. We don't know yet. Probably when we will go back. But I would say it's a lot now for too much now for travel for go there. So trust me. It's too much now to travel to go there. So much I get a break. It's been a while now since me get a break. But I still have the chair. So I shall hand over the chair today. Yeah. But trust me, I really like that sports. That sports is so nice. But as I said though, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, sometimes sugar. The mirror like we close and we work and set up our funeral and what we wear come back up. But differently. We wash. We not come back with a lot of dirty clothes. So make sure we wash properly before we come back up. No man, I like dirty clothes. Cock up. No. That's not me. Nope. No. Probably just thing the saffron finish. Need to get saffron. Just I put this in here for saffron finish. Okay. Also need to do small shopping. Get some stuff. let's start with this small shop here. So, that. So, this fridge now, it's ready to clean it out and set it in an order. Just need to clean out. Today, I'm gonna clean it out. Just this squad, just stay with me. Need to give it them prawn here, guys. But we will not eat them. This Sobrina'a mother. So when you don't want the food, this is so sticky. Like them meat here, have them in the fridge from a month, come here, have them in the fridge. So ST squad, that's it. Just need to get some drinks. Plug him out the fridge. Plug it in, but I'm not gonna see it. But that's it. You get some Gatorade and some more drinks. Yeah, some egg and stuff. But that's it. Tell me, you look 100% better.
You get egg? You eat egg?
I meat egg. Sometimes I add 2-3 egg, my boy. I must get that work.
Yeah, but through the egg, yeah, about 2 months, things are egg.
I must make up and add the day. I just come back.
Like you give me most of the egg, you give me at least a dozen from it.
You must say you have to buy that the same week.
No, I never buy the same week, that's why I never buy no more.
Anyway, it's this one. Alright, me should I get Gatorade and some tin juice. Yippee. Let's just gonna do a small shopping. My wife. Yeah.
This is my favorite drink. It tastes like Coca-Cola. This tastes like Coke and it kind of look like it. It tastes like it so much. Kind of feel good when you drink this. When I really feel unhealthy. Cause Coke.
Get some bleach. Bleach it finish. So it finish. Yeah, you get the saffron now.
The what?
I forgot to tell you we get the saffron now.
I did.
Okay. Get saffron.
Yeah, lot of bleach.
Let's add it.
And this also use a lot of bleach.
So I'm gonna fix up the fridge and then make my show it again.
So get like drinks and toilet stuff, like washing up liquid. You get the thing like put in the toilet with them. You know this? And get this from up the floor. I like to buy these. I have some already. I might try this one.
Just let me alone, we didn't need.
You just need drinks and this. You know me, I have to get something. Get me by a surprise here today.
Oh gosh.
Teddy love pistachio, guys. And this is for me today.
The boy Joe, me get the one me have. I miss him. I think take up Barnes peanut and I eat Barnes peanut.
Ooh.
Joe.
Oh, you like it?
I don't know. I see take up Barnes peanut and I eat Barnes peanut. So I suppose I end up giving the one I made have.
you all live in the UK, you can try this. It tastes like Coke and cheaper. And if you want to lose belly fat, I drink this and I feel that. No, no, you're right. You know me, I They could make some orange juice and everything and put in the fridge.
Orange juice?
Like no, like carrot juice and then sit there.
Why? I'm not gonna make carrot juice, maybe carrot juice.
Make carrot juice and cereal. Take more time, bro. I get the butter.
Yeah, I'll come with the butter.
If I tap my butter.
I'm confused right now.
Oh, maybe it's confused, brother.
Me.
So this are diet drinks. I hate diet drinks. Why? Why would you have a diet drink? If you give me juices, give me drinks. No diet. I'm trying to be healthy. Because my belly too big. For a mother girl. If you sort it out. You want the next? You want the next? Wait, name. What that drink the name? 5? Vivi? I don't know. You want more?
Sure.
The purple one look like Coke.
No.
So that's it?
Yeah.
The blue one and the purple one are my one. They're my one. Yeah? You not drink them? Where's the paper? You're not gonna drink it. Bombard! You know vegetable in fridge full of?
Eh?
No vegetable in fridge full of?
Vegetable?
Like carrot and it's in
Yeah,
there.
I don't need vegetable. That's it.
I'm never buying an egg because you're not eating. You're not making it on waste.
This is good shit, alright, alright. This is good, that's it for the juice. Should need to get some vegetable on, some season. My work finish, the clean out. My pocket juice finish. If you eat 2 patty, I know.
May I cook mackerel and rice, no patty.
Okay, so should I cook mackerel and rice, no patty. Now I got there to see it. Let's taste got tin mackerel and rice on the block. I've cooked some quick tin mackerel and rice. So teamwork, I just don't finish wipe out the place. And don't eat, I go bed. I'm gonna sleep.
Lies.
I'm gonna sleep. I'm tired for true. Me not care sleep.
Yeah.
Alright, me not care sleep.
But that's how people stay there road, they sleep as a gay yard. You know, sleep.
I'm tired, man. From morning, I work.
True.
Anyway, ST's go tell them bye.
Bye, guys.
Big up on yourself, remember, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. That's Sobrina'a cook tin mackerel and rice for dinner.
Love you guys.
Bye you.
Bye.